If you want to add closed captions or subtitles to your video, but you don't want to spend money, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate an SRT file for any video free of charge. Let's get into it. Now, the answer to this is actually a lot closer than you think. And for this video, we're going to be using the back end of the CreatorFix YouTube channel. Whenever you upload a video to YouTube, by default, it generates subtitles for your video. And the great thing about it is you can edit the subtitles right in YouTube and then generate a subtitle file that you can use on any other platform. So to get started with this, I'm just going to select one of my videos. I'm going to go into Subtitles. And as you can see, I have edited some subtitles and saved them here. If you don't edit your subtitles, I do suggest that you click on Duplicate and Edit and make sure all of the text is correct in your subtitles. Once you've done that, you will see this above your original subtitle. What you can then go ahead and do is click on the three dots here and click Download. And this will give you a variety of different options to use. Now, the most common one to use is an SRT file. So if I go ahead and click on this, it will download this as an SRT file. If you don't know what an SRT file is, it's the file that you can upload to Facebook, Vimeo, YouTube, even Premiere Pro, and it will show the exact subtitles that are in your video at the correct timestamps. Now, it may seem like there's way more to it than that, but that is basically it. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts below. And for more CreatorFix tutorials, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.